Hey, it's Nick from T7 Training. I'm at Red Rock in Nevada, and today's tip is going to be selecting entire rows or entire columns. If you want to select an entire column in an Excel spreadsheet, you don't need to click the letter of the column. You can just be in the column and use Control and Spacebar. Or if you want to select the entire row, just be in the row and hold Shift and Spacebar. Easy way to remember that. Control isn't as wide as Shift, so the Shift stands for the row. Okay, that's today's tip. Look forward to seeing you guys next week.